Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send BTC on Robinhood. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Robinhood app. Once the app loads, look at the bottom menu and tap on the crypto section. This is where all your cryptocurrency assets are listed. From the list, find and select Bitcoin, also shown as BTC. Tap on it to open the Bitcoin details page. On this screen, you will see options related to your Bitcoin balance. Look for the button labeled Send and tap on it. This will take you to the transfer screen where you can begin entering the transaction details. Now you need to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is very important. Carefully paste the address into the field or use the QR code scanner if the recipient has provided one. Double-check the address to make sure it is correct. Sending Bitcoin to the wrong address cannot be reversed. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. After entering the details, move to the review screen. Here you will see a summary of your transaction, including the recipient address, the amount, and the network fee. If all the details look correct, tap Submit or Confirm to complete the transaction. Thanks for watching.